Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG of what they want to do. They want to do this right here, which pretty cool. And after you figure out your size and your settings, it is tedious. I tried to make a macro for it, but it just doesn't work. So I have indexing lines in the center of my page. To do a triangle, you need to take a polygon, set on six-sided, and hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then because the triangle does not rotate from the center, Corel thinks the center of the triangle is there, and it's really there. So you need a couple of keystrokes to make it easy, and one of them is standard in Corel, which is Control K, which is break the contour back part just a minute, but also the one that me and Roy Brewer kind of invented, the alternate C, which rotates it from the center of the page. So what you need to do, I'll send that to you if you ask me for it, or anybody. I use it quite a bit, and a lot of people have asked me for it, and it's really, really handy. But now that this is in the center of the page, we're going to go to Effects and Contour, and we're going to contour to the inside 0.05. And you can see that that's just a little bit of a contour. Now we're going to Control K, which is going to break that contour apart. And then I click on the inside and I alternate C, and what that did, it made it rotate from the center. And I'm going to rotate it like 0.3. So you need to check because your size is going to be a little bit different. So I'm just barely inside, so that'll work. Now this is tedious. Contour, Control K, alternate C, 0.3. Contour, Control K. I always click off of it and click back on it, alternate C, 0.3. I mean, it's tedious as all get out, but the end result will be pretty nice. So I contoured alternate K, Control C. And if you didn't have that Control C, it would be a lot more tedious because you'd have to, well, just a second, let me don't mess up here. You'd have to grab it and then move your center rotation to there. And it has to be perfect. So we're going to just not do that and just use the alternate C, which is one of the neatest things I've ever been involved with, I think. I had it working, and then Mr. Brewer took it to the next step and made it work on anybody's page. Mine, I could design it where it would work on my page, but I couldn't get it to work on your page if it was a different size. Anyway, just remember your 0.3. I'm trying to figure out a way to make it faster, but have yet not figured it out. So the key things are, if you take a triangle right now, let's make it 3. Whoop. And this has been an age-old problem. To hit P, Corel thinks that's the center of the page, where the X is. Well, that's not. I mean, that's the center of the page, but that's not the center of your rotation. If you look at your distances, so make this a 6-sided, or even a 4 would work, but I always go with 6, and then hit P, and then turn it into a 3-sided, and look at the difference. Now, you don't have to go as dramatic as I did. You know, let's try it. Let's go 0.1. Well, that's not very much either. Let's go 0.5. No, that's too much. 0.2. And then Control K to break it apart. Alternate C to make it rotate from the center. I accidentally bumped it a little bit. And whenever you can't get that, it's because you didn't alternate Control K very good. And let's rotate it 2 degrees. That's a little bit much. 1.5 degrees. And then, see, I'm just not doing as much. Contour, Control K, alternate C, 0.15. Oh, or was it? Well, it wasn't 15, oh, 1.5. There we go. See, I'm not doing it as fine, so it's going to be a lot less tedious. Control K, alternate C, 1.5. And see, this way, well, I must have did something wrong there. Because it was working up until then. There we go. So let me do one more. Apply. See, and it's contouring it perfectly. Control K, alternate C, 1.5. Anyway, and if we make these lines a little bit thicker, it'll kind of show you what it looked like. Anyway, I hope that helped her. And she's got one more question, and I'm really enthused by it. Hopefully it'll be coming up here soon. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.